How to find trending TikTok sounds. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually find trending sounds on TikTok. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the TikTok application to the latest version. You can head over to your device's app store, in the search box type in TikTok, and then go ahead and simply update the application to the latest version. After we've actually updated it, I'm going to simply open TikTok. Now let's say you actually want to find a popular sound on TikTok. What you can do is from the top right hand side of the screen, you can simply tap on the search or this discover icon. So tap on the search or this discover icon, and then here you can simply search for popular sounds. So I'm going to simply go ahead and enter the keyword called popular sounds right over here. As you tap on popular sounds, here you'll see a list of all of the results. What you can do is from the top of the screen, you want to head over to the menu called sounds right over here. So go to the sounds menu, and here you will see a list of all of the popular menu sounds, and if some of the songs are popular, you'll also be able to see a popular logo right under the sound right over there. If you want to use that sound, you can simply tap on that sound right over here, and it will load you a list of all of the videos which have actually been made with that sound or using that sound. Then you can simply tap on a certain video right over here, and if you want to use that sound, then at the bottom right you can simply tap on this circle icon. As you tap on circle icon, here you'll find this option called right over here, and if it is available for commercial use, then you can simply tap on use this sound. So if I go ahead and select any another sound right over here, and let me just show you, and if I tap on any of these videos right over here, it will show me a list of how I can actually use this sound if it is available for commercial use. So this was the way on how you could very easily find trending sounds on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.